back to our English class. See, in previous class, 192 question answers are completed. Now, what is our third question? Where did Charlie? What is our third question? Where did Charlie make his professional debut? Make his professional debut. This is your third question. So, what is the answer? Charlie make his professional debut. Charlie make his professional debate as a member of a juvenile group called the Eight Lancashire. Lads. So this is your answer. Okay, children. I repeat again. Where did Charlie make his professional debut? Where he started his professional as a challenge. That is the meaning of question. Charlie made his professional debut as a member of a juvenile group. Which group? Juvenile group called the Eight Lancashire Lads. Okay, children. After completing third one, I will give you fourth question. I will give you 1 minute time to write this one. Don't write any spelling mistakes. Write neat handwriting. See, one question after writing second one, leave one line. From question to question, leave one line and write. Totally you are having 6 question and answers. Okay, I will rub the question. I hope you completed. Okay, children. What is our fourth question? Write about his career. Write about his career. Write about his career as a comedian. As a comedian. So what is our answer? Charlie started a career as a comedian. Charlie started a career as a comedian in Vaidaveli. Vaidaveli means nothing but it is a meaning of a music hall. Which eventually took him to the United States in 1910. He scored an immediate means quick response. Immediate hit with American audience. American audiences. As an American actor, as well as director. He shot up into fame as the Little Trump in silent movies. The Little, lesser name, the Little Trump. In silent movies. Silent names. Okay, children. I repeat again. What is our fourth question? Write about his career as a comedian. As a comedian, write about his career. That is the question. Charlie started a career as a comedian in Vaudeville in a music hall, which eventually took him to the United States in 1910. Means his performance took him to the United States, other countries. In which year? In 1910. He scored an immediate hit with. Immediate hit means very fast response with the American audiences. Means with the American people. As an American actor, as well as a director, he shot up into a fame as he got as a very good name, and he was called as the Little Trump in silent movies. Okay, children, this is your fourth question and answer. Remaining two are there that we will see after in another class. This is enough for today. Okay, children. Thank you, children.